Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial where I am gonna specifically talk about the transition from Tittibhasana Firefly to Bakasana Crow Pose. You probably can now do Tittibhasana and you can also easily do Crow right now. So how do you make that transition possible? For people who are learning, I always recommend blocks as a start. So that having blocks give you that extra height where your feet are able to transition to sweep from the front to the back way more easily. Then once you have that muscle memory, then from there we can start to progress by putting the blocks away. And we'll just go straight into it. You can just watch first, just see how I do it, and then if you're warm enough, feel free to join me. Okay, now we'll always start with the blocks shoulder width. So some people like to grip the blocks this way. I personally prefer gripping with my fingers. Why? Because for me like that, it's just so much on the wrist. Whereas if I start to grip, I use my forearms and I use like my triceps way more. That's why I always prefer to grip the blocks. But if you prefer to have your hands flat and that doesn't hurt your wrists, honestly, that's fine as well. So once you have the blocks onto your mat, you want to start with your feet forward. Grab your calves and wriggle your shoulders underneath your thighs. So once you grab the blocks, you are going to sit your butt back. Rather than down, think of sitting back, looking forward, push, and then from here, you extend your legs as far as you can. From here, you want to extend your legs as far as you can. And then, so right now, in your crow pose, let's say if you do your crow, your bum is higher than your shoulders, right? Whereas in Tittibhasana, your butt is almost either in line with your shoulders or lower than the shoulders. So let's say if I'm here, all right, I'm in my firefly pose. So I'm gonna start to bend my knees. See this extra space I have with my blocks? I'm gonna lean forward, lift the butt up, and just point my toes back. So that is a good start. Step one, learning how to sweep your feet back. Point your toes, and you realize that you'll be very low in your crow pose, right? So let me show you again. So now I have my arms under, I extend, and then I bend my legs, I lean forward, I lift my bum, and I point my toes back. So right now, like my elbows are digging into my inner thighs instead of having my knees towards my triceps. So once you are in your Tittibhasana, say I extended my legs and I'm bending my knees, right? I'm gonna lean forward and start to shift side to side to get a little bit higher. So what I'm doing is, as I'm from here in my crow, right? So let's say if I'm here low in my crow, I'm gonna start to like shift side to side so I get my knees in a little bit more. You can see the difference, right? From here to here. Step one is to get your feet back. Step two is to build the height in crow. So I suggest taking step two differently. So after you finish step one and you land in your crow position, great, no need to do anything else. You're gonna place the blocks away. And you're gonna start in that position where you end up in Tittibhasana. So let's say I'm here, right? My knees are outside, my hands. So I'm gonna shift my weight, I'm gonna start rounding, and I'm gonna shift my knee in and my knee in. So I keep pushing to get my knees in. So I'm using the weight, like I'm subtly shifting the weight to get my knees here eventually into crow pose. So when you practice that whole thing, let's say if you come from Tittibhasana to crow, like this way. So I extend my legs, I'm here, right? And then from here, you can start to shift your knees in a little bit more to come a little higher into crow pose. So break that up, and if you know If you don't need the blocks anymore, that means you're pretty much more confident, then feel free to remove the blocks away from your practice. So step 1, with the blocks, draw your legs back. If that is okay, you start practicing without the blocks. Step 2 is to practice from low crow to a high crow. So if you can do 1, you can do 2, you'll be able to put these 2 together, and then from your crow, you can transition back to chaturanga. And I hope this helps in learning the mechanisms of shifting your weight to get from one arm balance to another arm balance. Yeah, thank you all so much for sharing your practice with me. I hope this tutorial really helps you get into your transition. See you all for your next tutorial. Bye!